everyone. I stand before you today with immense pleasure and excitement as we gather here for a special assembly to celebrate the vibrant and captivating culture of France. Today is French Day, a day dedicated to immersing ourselves in the rich heritage, language, and traditions of this magnificent country. As students, it is essential that we embrace diversity, expand our horizons, and appreciate the beauty of different cultures. French Day provides us with a unique opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of France, a country renowned for its art, cuisine, literature, and much more. Today, our assembly will take us on a journey through the various aspects of French culture. We will appreciate the language of love through poetry recitals and will get to know about French Revolution through a skit that captures the spirit of France. Now I would like to invite students for poem recitation.
Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Ça va bien, ça va mal, ça va pas aussi comme ça. Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Ça va bien, ça va mal, ça va pas aussi comme ça. Bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Vete, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Vete, vete, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Merci.
Wow, that was a wonderful performance. Let's hear the next one. Let's clap for such a rhythmic performance. Now let us explore the significance of this day in France through a skit. It is about a significant event happened during the French Revolution. Before the French Revolution, France was an absolute monarchy ruled by King Louis XVI with a rich social hierarchy and widespread inequality. After the revolution, the monarchy was abolished, leading to a period of radical political change, social upheaval, and the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte as a powerful figure in French history. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and fellow students, welcome to our enactment of the historic event that ignited the flames of the French Revolution, the storming of the Bastille.
Bastille was a fortress prison located in Paris, France, which played a significant role in the French Revolution. On July 14, 1789, a crowd of revolutionaries stormed the Bastille in what is now known as the storming of the Bastille. This event is considered a pivotal moment in the French Revolution and is often seen as the start of the uprising against the monarchy.
Citizens of France, gather around. Today, we transport ourselves back to July 14, 1789, a day that forever changed the course of history. The Bastille, a formidable fortress and symbol of a royal authority, stood as a reminder we, the people of France, entered. Fueled by our desire for liberty and justice, we could no longer bear the weight of an oppressive regime. Our grievances grew louder and we knew it's time to take action. We, the people, were burdened in heavy taxes and lived in poverty, while the nobility reveled in luxury. The Bastille represented the power of abuses and the suppression of our freedom. It became a symbol of all that was wrong with the monarchy. I, Governor Delaunay, stand here to represent the defenders of the Bastille on a fateful day. We were tasked with upholding royal authority, but the tide of revolution was unstoppable.
And so, on that summer day, people of Paris could walk upon the Bastille determined to claim their rights and secure their liberty.
With passion in our hearts and unity in our ranks, we stormed the fortress, facing the cannons and barricades that sought to keep us at bay. The Bastille and the victory of revolution was born.
The fall of the Bastille symbolized the victory of the people over despotism, the dawn of a new era where the will of the nation would guide its destiny. The storming of the Bastille is celebrated in France as a national holiday, known as Bastille Day, observed on July 14th each year.
It serves as a reminder of the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity that were center of the French Revolution. Today, as we recall the storming of the Bastille, let us remember the bravery and sacrifice of those who fought for the brighter future. May their courage inspire us to stand up against injustice and uphold the values of freedom and equality.
What an informative day. I didn't knew this, did you? As we celebrate French Day, let us remember that learning about different cultures expand our understanding of the world and nurtures tolerance and acceptance. Through the celebration, we hope to foster an appreciation for the French language, encourage curiosity about global diversity, and inspire a lifelong love for learning and exploration.